Hello, this is Arson from LRC. We have some training programs on leather sector development. If anyone wants to set a small business of this sector, you must know how to do it. We are the first Bangladesh private leather sector research and development center. LRC was founded on October 2013. LRC made an initiative with foresight to link technology system with both academy and industry. LRC today seems to be a central hub in Bangladesh leather sector with positive and perspective roles in research, training, designing, forecasting, social development, and leading in science and technology relating to leather. Right now, we are providing 5 courses: footwear merchandising, footwear design and manufacturing, shoe design and pattern making, leather goods design and manufacturing, leather goods merchandising. All are interesting and promising areas to increase capacity of an entrepreneurs. Hope all the best.
I wish that I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song